going to show you how you can receive products with the barcode into Excel. Here I have basically the copy of a packing slip that possibly you could get electronically from your suppliers. Now the barcodes are listed here, product description is here, number of boxes that was sent here. And so I have, on the other page, I have a place where you could have your scanner going. Now, if you just put in the first barcode and it's received, you receive it one, you get one. But being that you probably get pallets of some things, and that maybe you have, instead of one, you have 15 on a pallet, I'm giving you the option here to put in how many you're getting. So we had one already, so let's put in 999 again. And let's go back, and so now we've received 16 altogether. Okay, and so this way you could spend less time trying to count things and everything else. You would know what you have right away just by as quick as you can put the barcode scanner over the items that you have. You could receive them. So let me show you what my code looks like. Now I have called my sub receive, and the barcode is a string, range is a string, row number, count as long, and receive as long. Okay, so barcode equals sheet 3 cells 22, so that's where the barcode is scanned in. Count is this is the number. If you're putting in a number, this is where the count is coming from. So this is 21 on sheet 3, and then we're going to sheet 1 activate, and this is where we're recording things. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to search. If the barcode is not blank, then what you're going to do is you're going to search through all of the barcodes, and if you don't have a barcode, then the message is not found. I should probably show you that right away, and then go to the ND, which is right down here. Now, else if count is greater than 1, so if there's something besides 0 in here, or greater than 1, then the range offset equals value plus count. So whatever you've put in that box, so it's offsetting 3, so that's the value received, and then it's adding the count to whatever the current value is. And else, if there's nothing in the count box, then what you're doing is just adding 1 to the value of the received products. Okay, and then end if, and then what we're doing is we're clearing out sheet 3 cells 22, so we're making it blank, and then we're clearing out the count as well, and then we're going back to where our barcode scanner is, so that your barcode scanner doesn't have to nobody has to manually click back to where you have to scan to get it in there again. Okay, so let me show you what it does when you put in something that's not there. So I'm going to put in TODAY and press enter. Number not found. So there you go. It's telling you today's not on my list. Okay, and so I will, of course, include all of this. When you get an error message, it doesn't automatically go to the end to clear it out. So I will include this in the description of my video. Please subscribe.